guys, okay, so if you watched my peach dream video, basically I was just sitting around getting ready, talking story, and using this gorgeous palette from Prism Makeup. Well, Prism Makeup decided to send me a couple of more palettes. So this one is Gold Lustre, and you can actually get these on Amazon, and these are like $10 palettes, maybe $12, I don't remember, but cheap, you know, dupe palettes. Anyway, right? So pretty, so fall appropriate. And then this one is the Exotic palette, and this one has some super fun colors. You have some nice warm tones, but you also have these fun, bright shades. This one is, I mean, there's enough warm tones in here to be fall appropriate, and then add some wonderful gemmy tones for those of you who are still clinging to summer. And somebody I know had said they wanted a dupe rainbow palette, and while this one isn't fully rainbow, there are some really fun colors in here. So I thought this one would be an exciting one to play with. So I'm basically just gonna, you know, play with makeup. I've already done the rest of my makeup, so I'm just going to try to come up with something fun on my eyeballs. Should I just try to use like both of these palettes? We'll see where this takes us. I have no idea. I have no plans. Let's just go. Let's just do this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this beignet shade right here, and let's try to put that, yeah, this will be good all over my lid. I don't know, I think I like scratched myself right there. Here, let me zoom you in a little bit more. All right, that shade works as a nice base tone just to set my lids and make the other shadows blend a little bit easier. They, if you don't put another shadow down, then your concealer or whatever can work as a primer to make the colors a little more vibrant, but they tend to blend easier if you do use a powder. I think I'm gonna take this color right here in the Exotic palette, Skinny Dip, and use that as just a nice neutral transition shade in my crease. Whoa. This is a really pretty color, and it's blending out really nicely, which is good. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, it looks like a creamsicle shade right here. This one is called Lush, and I'm gonna pack that on kind of the inner corner of my eye. It's pretty pigmented, actually. There's a fair amount of kickback in here. Like, can you see that it's, let's see, how close can we get? Do you see the dust in there? So, I mean, it's fine. I just tap off my brush. Can you see it like powdering? I don't know if you can see that, but I can. Jeez Louise. I'm just packing that on right here. Why does that look so pink and that looks so orange? What did I do? Was there like a shadow on here that I didn't realize because the brush is pink? Oh, what have I done? What have I done? That's pretty funny, actually. All right, I'm just taking my beauty blender with the concealer on it. I'm seeing if I can just basically get rid of that and cover up all of that. Okay, cleaned that up. Starting fresh on this eye. Have you guys ever done that where you go to put something on and then you realize that your brush is dirty and you've just totally screwed up your plans for your eyeshadow? Especially with the colored brushes like that pink one. I clearly used it with a pink shadow and didn't realize that it was dirty. I do that. I kind of color code my brushes where like I have a blue brush that I use for blue shadows. I don't know why. At this point I'm thinking maybe I ought to not do that. All right, we're back in business. Okay, I'm gonna take Sunset, this shade over here, just with that same brush, and kind of go out here. These are like very similar colors. Yeah, I don't think that's quite dark enough for what I was thinking. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush and go into Sienna right here. This one is like the same color as my shirt. And with this small fluffy brush, man, I am going to go outer V and into my crease. Well, they look like they're gonna be super powdery, you know, when you first dip into them, but they actually blend really nicely and they look really smooth on my skin. You know, they don't look chalky, they're not blending out in ripples. So, and this is nice. I'm really happy with my Peach Dream palette from Prism Makeup, so, you know, I didn't expect this to not be good, but it's always nice when you can find an inexpensive palette that's got really great quality too, you know. And I'm gonna use that fluffy brush that I used earlier just to kind of blend out the edges a little bit better. Ooh, super orangey and fun. Look at that. That's pretty dramatic. A little more so than I was originally thinking, but that's okay. That's okay. This one is Ripe right here, and this is a fun color. It's like pink, but it has blue glitter in it. Can you see it on my finger? Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger and kind of tap this onto the middle of my eye. Oh yeah, that's fun. I like this color. This is a fun color. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna use High Temp, which is this dark brown. So excited, I got another smoothie box today. It's so funny because I just did that review. Did you guys see my review on smoothie box? And I feel like my review was very sort of, it's okay, it's fine, blah, blah, blah. But then as soon as I ran out of my smoothies, I was like, I have to have more. And Colin was asking me about it today because he was curious about how much they were. And I was saying, you know, because I used to just always use basically just like a frozen banana, protein powder, and almond milk. I love those smoothies, they're great, but I feel like I'm getting so much more out of the smoothie box ones because there's all these like nuts and seeds and healthy fats, and I like that it has the collagen peptides in it. That's a fun wing. So anyway, I was really excited to get my smoothie box because I really do like them. They've really grown on me, and so, you know, I missed them when I ran out. This is my favorite way to do eyeliner, is just with eyeshadow and a smudgy brush. Best way ever. It's so easy, and it's like, you can't fail. Let's see, did I have any fallout down here? It doesn't look like it. It actually looks pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna take this brush and dip it into the green in here, and I'm gonna use this green. This one is thyme, like the seasoning, or the plant, I should say. The herb, like the herb. Okay, and I'm just gonna take this under my eyes. What do we think of this? Let me take it down just a little bit further. So I might take a Julep over here, this minty glitter shade, in a minute and go over that. This eye has been so red for the last couple of days. I have no idea. I must have, like, I don't know, scratched it or dried it out or done something horrible to it because it's really red. It doesn't hurt or anything. It just looks awful. Okay, and then I'm gonna dip into that glitter Julep and just kind of go right in the center. Yeah, just a hint of glitter. Funsies. I'm gonna take this green, it's like an emerald green from Pixi. Emerald gold, actually, is what it's called. But it's kind of a shimmery green eyeliner, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. These eyeliners are so creamy and soft and wonderful. I absolutely love them. I have a brown one as well. There we go. Don't mind the redness of my eyes. It's not from the eyeliner. I'm happy with the way that turned out. That's super fun. And now I'm just gonna add some mascara. I'm using the Milk Kush mascara. This is such a good mascara, you guys. And it's supposed to be good for your lashes, which is awesome. I've really been liking Milk makeup. I don't have a lot of stuff from them, but the things that I do have I really like. I wish I had a green mascara. I would totally use that on my lower lashes. I have blue and purple, but not green. So I am happy with both of those palettes. Granted, I didn't use all the colors in them, but the colors that I did use I think look nice. They blended out nicely. We'll have to see how they last throughout the day. Okay. How does it look? What do you guys think? Pumpkin eyes. Okay, and then for lips, I have decided to go with theBalm Meet Matte Hughs, and this is a liquid lipstick. That's minty. I haven't worn this in a while. Sure is a pretty color though. I'm gonna use Note, because this is a nice orangey color in Desert Rose. And I'll use my new Sonia Kashuk brush. I just got this in a box. What box was that? It was like the Mamacita one. What is it? Just Hey Mamacita? Whoa, this is pigmented. Okay, now I feel like I look like a crazy person. Okay, well that's a fun look. I don't often do warm colors just because I feel like it clashes with the cool toned hair, but I still think it's a fun look and it's always fun to play with new colors. So my assessment of these two palettes is right on par with the Peach Dream one from Prism Makeup. I love them all. I think they're awesome, and they are cruelty free, which is amazing. They are inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon. This one I actually got from Juno&Co. So they have have some Prism makeup on their site as well. I can't remember if I have discount codes or not, but if I do, I will leave those in the description box for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you like these sort of inexpensive eyeshadow palette type things. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!